Recently, a popular musician from the ruling party in the north claimed he can defeat Elrufa'i in the polls. What is your reaction to this bold statement as a supporter of Malam Nasir Elrufa'i?
It is laughable, to be honest. While I respect the musician's talents in entertainment, politics and leadership are on a completely different level. Elrufa'i is one of the most educated and strategic minds in this country. Comparing him to someone like Rarara is part of the tragedy we face in Nigeria, confusing popularity with competence. We must ask ourselves, are we serious about leadership or playing game with our future?